Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a lexical analyzer architecture or how tokens are to be recognized. This thing is also called as role of the lex. So what is lex? Lex is also called as lexical scanner or lex. The responsibility of lex is that to create the token for the given input string. Token we are already discussed this thing in last lecture. The tokens are nothing but the category or class of input for the given input string. The main task of lexical analysis is to read input characters in the code and produces the tokens. Lexical analysis scans the entire source code of the program. It identifies each token one by one. Scanners are used. Okay, see here, lexical analyzer or lex is also called as scanner. Scanners are usually implemented to produce token only when requested by a parser. Here is how this works. Source program is given to lexical analysis. Lexical analysis produces the token given to the parser. Again parser is generated requested for the next token, and symbol table create new symbols, or error handler create the new error. Get so get next token is a command which is sent from the parser to the lexical analyzer. On receiving this command, the lexical analyzer scan the inputs until it finds the next token. It returns the token to the parser. Lexical analyzers keep white spaces and comment while creating these tokens. If any error is present, then lexical analyzer will correlate with the error with the source file and line numbers. Role of lexical analyzer. There are different role of lexical analyzers are: it help to identify the token into the symbol table. It remove white spaces and comment from the source program. It correlated error messages with the source program. It help you to expand the macros if it found in the source program. Read input characters from the source program. Oh, okay. Okay, general term, we say that what is the role of lex? The role of lex is to create the token, remove white spaces, remove blank spaces, keep the track line numbers, create the symbols, newly symbols, and generate the error for the given string. Thank you.